If you're trying to figure out which Wix plan is right for you, this video breaks down exactly what each one includes, who it's built for, and which to choose without overspending or undershooting. A quick word on Wix pricing. Wix is one of the most popular website builders out there, and it's priced competitively. Whichever plan you choose, you're not overpaying compared to other website builders. Wix is sponsoring today's video, but that doesn't mean I'm going to oversell it to you. I'll tell you when free's enough, and if a lower tier like their Light plan at $17 a month covers everything that you'll need. A nice thing with Wix is you can start building with their lowest tier, and when you hit a limit, they tell you. Say you go to add another element or you try to set up payment processing. You'll get a prompt telling you to upgrade to unlock that feature. And when you upgrade, it credits what you already paid so the money isn't lost. Let's quickly cover free, then I'll go through the 4 premium plans. Wix's free plan is actually free. It's not a trial. You can keep a free website as long as you want. Within Wix Harmony, you get their drag and drop website builder where you can adjust your site down to the pixel, and you get their AI website builder that quickly builds a first draft from a single prompt and easily makes more complex edits with their built-in AI agent, Aria. I've got a whole video about Wix Harmony linked below. The trade-off with free is that your site shows Wix ads, and your web address looks something like this. If you have a business and you want to be taken seriously, go with the paid plan. You can connect your own domain and drop the Wix branding. But which plan is best for your business needs? Let's break each one down. The Wix Light plan is $17 a month paid annually. We'll talk more about pricing and discounts later in the video. The simplest way to think about Light is this. It's for a website that tells people about your business but doesn't sell to them directly. You get your custom domain, no Wix ads, 2 gigabytes of storage, and room for 2 people to work on the site. What you don't get is a way to accept payments. No store, no checkout. So who is the Wix Light plan for? A local service business like a landscaper or a plumber that just want their phone to ring. Your site shows your hours, your service area, some photos of your work, and a button to call or email you. It's great for a personal brand website or a portfolio. A photographer, a writer, a designer, a coach, someone whose next step is book a call. Think about a coffee shop. If you just want a clean page with your location, your hours, and photos of your space, the Light plan is perfect. The day you want to sell coffee or merch online, it's time to move to the next tier. Same with a restaurant that just wants to show its menu and take reservations by phone. Light handles that. One thing to watch on Light is storage. 2 gigabytes is plenty for photos and a normal site. But if you're planning to host a lot of videos or a huge high-resolution gallery, keep an eye on that number because video will fill it up very quickly. A lot of people are going to host their videos elsewhere anyways. Bottom line, if money never changes hands on your website, Light is probably all that you're going to need. Next is the Wix Core plan at $29 a month. If you plan to sell anything online, this is where you should start. Big change is that Core is the first plan where you can accept payments on your site. You can run an online store, sell services, accept paid bookings, and even start a loyalty program. You also jump up to 50 gigabytes of storage and up to 5 people can work on your site. So who is the Wix Core plan for? Anyone who needs to charge for something online. A small online store, or someone moving off Etsy to their own storefront. Service businesses that take paid bookings, like a barber, a massage therapist, a personal trainer, or a tutor. That coffee shop from a minute ago can now sell its beans and mugs online. And if you're selling an online course or a digital download, that starts here too. Core also unlocks memberships and packages that allow monthly payments, free trials, and reduced pricing plans. One thing to keep in mind with Wix pricing plans, there is an extra fee on these transactions. 4% on Core, 2% on Business, and 0% on Business Elite. Just note that this only applies to memberships and subscriptions, not regular product sales. If memberships are a big chunk of your revenue, it may be worth moving up to Business or Elite. Here's something worth watching for. Wix often runs discounts on Core and up, so a lot of the time, the first year of Core actually costs less than Light. If that's the case when you sign up, go with Core. You can always downgrade in a year if you don't end up needing all the additional features. If you're accepting payments and just getting started, Core is where you want to be. It's a plan I'd point most people to. The next step up is the Wix Business plan at $39 a month. It's only $10 more than Core, so the real question is just whether you need what it adds. Business gives you everything from Core plus 100 gigabytes of storage and room for 10 people on your team. Here's where it earns its keep. If you're selling physical products and shipping them, Business automates your sales tax for up to 100 transactions a month. It'll figure out the right rate and applies it for you, which will save you headaches once orders start rolling in. If you work in the healthcare sector, say you're a doctor or a dentist handling sensitive patient info on your site, you'll need HIPAA compliance, and that starts at Business. And Business adds loyalty program tiers, loyalty points expiration, and a referral program. This allows you to reward your customers and let them refer their friends. So who is the Wix Business plan for? I recommend Wix Business when you're selling physical products, need HIPAA compliance, want to implement a loyalty or referral program, or want sales tax automation. At the highest tier is Wix Business Elite, which is $159 a month. I'll be straight with you, going from $39 to $159 is a big jump, and for most people watching, Elite is overkill. But there are some businesses that can really take advantage of the features. Elite gives you everything from business plus unlimited storage, an advanced developer platform if you want custom code and custom features, and room for up to 100 people from your team. You also get automated sales tax for up to 500 transactions per month. So who is the Wix Business Elite plan for? The Wix Business Elite plan is best for large online stores with big catalogs and high sales volume. It's for serious dropshipping businesses using tools like Modalist where high product limits matter. And it's for businesses that need advanced customization, including developers building more complex website features. Honestly, if you're not sure you need Business Elite, you don't. It's for businesses already bumping into the limits of the business plan. So which Wix plan should you actually choose? Here's the simple version. If your site just shares info and doesn't sell, go with Light. If you need to accept payments or schedule paid bookings, go with Core. That's the answer for most small business owners. And remember, as you hit certain limits, Wix will just ask you to upgrade. If you're shipping a lot of orders and want automated sales tax, more drop shipping products, and you want to add loyalty or referral programs, that's when you want to go with the business plan. And if you're running a large online store, a big drop shipping company, or need custom features built, choose Business Elite. The rule of thumb, pick the lowest plan that works for you today and upgrade when Wix tells you that you've hit a limit. You get credit for what you've already paid, so there's no downside to starting lean. A quick note on how you pay. Every price I gave is the monthly price paid annually. If you want to pay less per month, you can pay for 2 or 3 years upfront, and Wix may have sales running on top of that. If you want to pay monthly, it's going to cost a bit more than the annual pricing. Also, when paying monthly, the plans don't include the free first year of a domain. That's every Wix plan, what it costs, and who it's for. If you're ready to get started, the link to try Wix is in the description. If you haven't actually built your site yet, watch this next. I walk you through how to create your website with Wix from a single prompt. And if you're not sure what to even put on your site, I've got this video that walks you through the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.